Every second you spend stuck on the same idea, the same product, the same strategy, without change, is a second wasted drowning in frustration, watching competitors fly past, praying for a breakthrough that won't come. That feeling gnaws at you. Sleepless nights, endless doubt, wondering if pivoting means admitting failure or if staying the course is just plain stubbornness. The truth? Pivoting isn't a sign of defeat. It's the battlefield tactic that turns desperate survival into explosive growth. But not just any pivot. The ones that shatter your limits, make you rethink everything you built, and force you to face brutal facts with sharper eyes. Stop spinning your wheels chasing vanity metrics or clinging to a product no one really wants. You need to hunt for the real pain, an unignorable problem that wriggles deep inside your market's guts. Drop the crap about pivoting to new markets without understanding why the current one is burning you. The pivot that truly drives growth is surgical. It cuts out everything irrelevant like a scalpel, leaving only what actually works and what people beg for. Dig into your data like a detective who won't quit until the truth shouts from the shadows. Then pivot towards that. No apologies, no half measures. Now here's the raw core most founders fail to see. The drama of pivoting is not just external change. It's a brutal, merciless internal revolution. It forces you to question your identity, your assumptions, the very reason you thought your startup existed. That chaos? Good. Lean into it. Because inside that mess is your next growth rocket. After a pivot, your team isn't just new, it's reborn. Those scorched old strategies make room for ideas with hunger, with fire. You reclaim freedom from self-deception. You prove your worth in a way numbers alone never could. But timing is everything. Pivot too early, and you look like a quitter swallowed by fear. Pivot too late, and the decay becomes cancer, eating through your runway and morale. So how to know? Listen hard, not to your gut, but to cold reality. Are your customers engaging? Are they paying? Are they raving or just politely silent? If the answer is pain, pain, and pain again, pivot yesterday. Use customer obsession as your compass. Get ruthless with feedback loops, kill sacred cows, and embrace failure as your best teacher. Here's the secret weapon no one talks about. Pivoting isn't just about the product. It's about your ecosystem, your investors, your partners, your culture. When the market shakes, your support system must shake harder with you. That means brutal honesty, transparency that cuts deeper than comfort, and alliances that fuel, not drain. Invite your strongest critics to the pivot table, because those voices are your early warning alarms and your accelerators. Build a network that doesn't just survive pivots, but thrives on them. And never forget, the world desperately needs startups that pivot right. It's not about chasing trends or pandering to every whim. It's about transcending illusions, smashing comfort zones, and creating something that doesn't just fit today's market, but pushes the entire future forward. This kind of pivot requires courage so fierce it burns the noise away and wakes the rare few who can change everything with one bold move. So here's exactly what to do. Tear down your assumptions like a house on fire. Question every map, every metric, every truth you thought was solid. Hunt for that knee-jerk reaction in your customers, the one that reveals deep pain or hidden dreams. Then reforge your product, your business model, your narrative line by line until it's razor sharp. Cut loose anyone and anything that doesn't fuel this new vision. Iterate hard, fast, and with brutal discipline. Make every pivot moment a declaration. This is who we are now, stronger, freer, unstoppable. The pivot is your liberation, your chance to break the chains of outdated thinking and rocket your startup into real growth, real impact. In this game, hesitation kills. Action with clarity and raw insight wins. The few who dare to pivot with fire beneath their feet won't just survive, they'll redefine what's possible. And that's exactly who belongs here. Those who refuse to be ghosts of their first idea, but masters of what comes next.